Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to utilize today and now functions in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, by default, dates will be stored as a sequential number so that they can use in calculation purpose. By default, January 1, 1900 is serial number 1. For example, if you take 25th March 2020, serial number will be 43915 because it is 43,915 days after January 1st, 1900. Today function in Microsoft Excel is used to get the system date in DD, YYYY format by default. This format will be vary depends on localization setting in your operating system. Syntax for today function is equal to today, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Now function. Now function in Microsoft Excel is the same as the today function, but the difference is instead of only system date, it will add system timestamp also. Syntax for now function is equal to now, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Today and now functions does not require any functional arguments. If you want to learn more about functional arguments, please check out my working with Excel functions video. Shortcut keys. Shortcut key to get system date in a cell is Control plus semicolon. If you want only system time, you need to press Control Shift semicolon. If you want date along with the time, then enter first Control plus semicolon and then press space and then press Control Shift semicolon simultaneously. Let us see the real-time scenario how to work with today and now functions in detail. To get the system date in D3 cell is equal to today, open parenthesis and close parenthesis and press enter. So it will show in default format. Same time I want system date along with the timestamp equal to now, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Got it. So if I want using the shortcut key, what is the shortcut key? Control semicolon for system date. Control Shift semicolon for system time. And if I want date along with that time, I need to press Control space, then press space, and then Control Shift semicolon. So as discussed in this video, if we convert this one into a number, then see it is showing as a 43916. That means it is 43,916 days after January 1st, 1900. If you want to learn more about format cells and about the functional arguments, check out my other videos. Thank you.